So, hello students. As you know, AutoCAD is a very important software. Whether you are from a civil branch or mechanical branch or from architect background, interior design, or any other branch who needs to learn AutoCAD, like electrical branch. So, these courses are very important. Like it is compulsory to learn AutoCAD. So, because it is whether you go for a government job or private job, because you get to understand the practical knowledge of the syllabus you have studied. That is where that will help you improve your skills and all. It's a very important software for job. So, yeah, as you know that, now I will tell you how what is the procedure to purchase the course and all, and share with your friends also because we have a very less fees as compared to the market or others, and this is very limited time offer. So I would suggest you purchase the course as soon as possible and share with your friends also. And one more thing I would like to show you before proceeding for the course purchase. Like, see, we give training on live projects. It is not like just we are teaching the commands. We will teach you the command sheets, whether from mechanical branch. See, mechanical, it is all live projects. So whether you for mechanical branch or civil branch, see, all live projects are there. So you will definitely see, get to learn these things, and you will definitely understand. You will definitely get to learn a lot of skills, and yeah, and do share with your friends and tell them to purchase the courses. Yeah. Now, how to purchase the course? Yeah, I will tell you because it is limited time offer, and because it is a limited time offer, and yes, so proceeding with the course, yeah, like very low less fees as compared very low fees we have, and software installation support also we provide after you purchase the course. After purchasing the course, just message me on WhatsApp. Accordingly, your classes will be scheduled. Already videos are there. Already all the course videos are there. As soon as you purchase the course, you can watch those videos, and whatever doubt comes, you just clear it through the class recordings. And yeah, and also weekly on Friday or Saturday, live class will be there. Your live class on Zoom meeting. So whatever doubts you have, you can clear it. Live doubt clearing. Yeah, that is a live class, 1-to-1 session. Whether on Friday you want or Saturday, it depends on you. Friday, you want it on Friday or Saturday, it completely depends on you. In the evening, 7 to 8 p.m., 8 to 9 p.m. on Friday or whatever time you are free. Weekly, every week, till you have the course validity is there. So yeah, this is my website. You can purchase the course through my website or through my Android application. You can find the link of these on my this Android app. You can find this link on my YouTube website, YouTube channel description. You can find the link of these on my YouTube channel description. And do share with your friends also. And yeah. Now coming back, see here you can see login button is there. Same procedure is there in Android application. You have to see when you download and open it for the first time. See this screen will come. You just log in, register accordingly, and just yeah. So this way it is there. And see this page is there. So just purchase the course. See now I will show you the procedure. If you decide to purchase, you can watch it on laptop or mobile. Mobile and website is there. Both options are there. It completely depends on you, whichever option you want. So you want on mobile or laptop, it is completely dependent on you. It is up completely up to you. Both the login details of both will be same, either laptop or website. Both mobile or Android application or website login credentials will be same. Your login credentials, so you can purchase through both. See, either you log in or register. Like you can create an if you haven't, you can create an account. Just left click on your mouse from this, or just log in, enter your mobile number and the password. Yeah, you've already created the account. See, just yes. And software installation support will also be provided after purchasing the course. I already told you. If you have software, you can continue with the course, no problem. You don't, if you don't have software, no problem. We will guide you how to just purchase. See, two options are there. There are two course category. On mobile also same things will come. Whether you are from civil branch or architect or interior designer or any other related branch. So you can go with this course, civil course, select this, left click on your mouse from, or if you're from mechanical or any other related branches, just left click on your mouse with on this. See, this way it will work. This way it will work. So just this way from civil or mechanical. Mechanical, if you select left click once on these mechanical courses will be shown, or if you civil courses you select, civil courses will be shown. So this way it is there. So whichever course you want, just select it. Suppose I want to buy this course AutoCAD Civil. See here option is there, buy now. Same procedure on mobile also. So left click once on your from your mouse on this, buy now. So as you click on this, see, this purchase now button opens. Now left click on your mouse once on this purchase now button. See, this payment. Same way, mobile also same things will come. Purchase through mobile, Android application or website. It completely depends on you. See, this is the fees and all. We have different options of payment, whether you want from UPI, credit card, debit card, or EMI, or net banking, or wallet, or pay later. Or you can just pay by simply by scanning this QR code also. So it completely depends on you, whichever option is you want. Just pay the fees. It's a complete secured payment. Just pay the fees and inform me on WhatsApp. So accordingly, your classes will be scheduled and share with your friends also. And yeah, so limited time offer. This is a limited time offer. So purchase the course as soon as possible and share with your friends also. And thank you for thank you. Purchase the course and inform me on WhatsApp. And accordingly, your classes will be scheduled. And this is a limited time offer. So purchase the course as soon as possible because it is very important. AutoCAD is just it's like a compulsory thing. Whether you are from want a government job or private job. Yeah. So share with your friends also. Okay, thank you.